it's the bear market. Let's just go ahead and leave and never buy anything. Hang on, hold up. This is the time where you dig your feet in and look for those next 100x gems, or at least look for the next cryptocurrencies that are going to outperform the markets. Remember, bull markets, you can make some money. Bear markets, life-changing money. Keep that in mind. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to spot the next outperformers for the next bull market. If you guys enjoy content like this and you want to see other videos like this, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and hit a like and tell me what you guys think are the next outperformers for the next bull. Let's go and get into this video. Outperformers 2023, 24, when's the next bull? Time will tell. We'll see what happens. So I want to start with this. Take a look at GameStop. This thing was trading as low as $1 back in 2020. And this thing literally gigapumped to 80 bucks. Of course, this is factoring in after the stock split and whatnot. But crypto and even the stock markets are run on memes. This is key to understanding how the markets work. So one of the outperformers of the market was GameStop. And come on now, GameStop outperforming the market out of everyone else? Well, it became a meme of Robin Hooders versus Wall Street. It had nothing to do with the stock in particular. Of course, it was way overshorted, but still, that's for another day. Now to the crypto side, let's talk about another asset. This is Luna. Remember the meme UST, UST, UST? You know, UST versus centralization. If you were the guy holding USDC or USDT, you were basically like the guy who's against DeFi because you're holding a centralized stablecoin. That was the meme of Terra. And of course, there was a cult that formed around Do Kwon. And it gigapumped. As you can see here, it was way less than $1. It was like 20 cents. It was even less than that. And it gigamooned to over almost 125 bucks. It was nuts and ham. And then, of course, it didn't. USD lost peg. We had the unwinding. But the point is, there was a meme and a cult around Luna, especially in a bull market. Assets and prices tend to be way overpriced, and in a bear market, it seems to be the opposite. Another example is Solana. If you remember, Solana was trading under $1, and then it gigapumped. This is the same junk, different day. The meme for this was it's the Ethereum killer. It's got 100,000 transactions per second, entirely scalable. All of the crypto market is just going to run on Solana. People are only going to trade on there because it's the best. You get it. That was the meme for Solana. It was super fast, super quick, and it was going to be the ETH killer. And many thought this would play out. This is based on the price action. However, after the bull market, this is when everyone comes to reality. And again, in bull markets, things tend to be overpriced. And in bear markets, people come to reality. Now, another example is Polygon. Let me go ahead and show you guys this chart. This thing was trading under a penny. It doesn't even show up on CoinGecko, the previous price history. Well, I guess you can go all the way back. But I remember this coin, it was under a penny. And people were like, it's going to scale Ethereum. It's going to scale this. It was basically the meme of scalability. So it's the ETH scaling solution. Everyone saw $100, $200, $300 gas fees on Ethereum. They're like, this is not sustainable. We need something else. And this is where you have things like Polygon. You have things like Binance Chain, Avalanche coming out. Because that was the meme. The meme was ETH scaling. ETH doesn't work. These guys will. ETH was super successful. So these guys should be successful. That was the whole meme. And that's what people were trading on. So after a massive rally from the farming craze, of course, markets come back to reality. And you can see Matic is trading around 83 cents. And even then, some people still think it's overvalued. Of course, time will tell. We'll see what happens. But the point is, the markets run on memes. Let's look at a snapshot on 2018. You can see here you got Bitcoin, you got XRP, you got Ethereum, you got Bitcoin Cash, and you see some of these and you're like, what? These were in the top 10? Litecoin? Top 10? Tron? Top 10? What the snap is going on? I don't even see these coins on here. I mean, look at NIO. NIO is not even on the charts. Isn't that a car company? What's NIM? What the pants is NIM? I've never even heard of that. The point is these different assets in the crypto markets were big back then. And now they aren't because there's different narratives that happen. So notice the winners of 2018 and their memes. XRP, disrupting the banks. Bitcoin Cash, this was going to replace Bitcoin. because it's more scalable and it's faster, yada, yada, yada. ETH, it's got smart contracts. It's going to replace Bitcoin because it has no contracts. Well, you guys can see they can actually coexist because both of them are needed. Litecoin, the silver to Bitcoin, or Dash. This is part of the nodes craze. Everyone was like, oh, you can own your own node. You just have to own some Dash. Or IOTA, the future of payments to cars and vehicles and machines, yada, yada, yada. The point is each of these currencies had their own memes and developments around them. Same thing with Cardano. They all had their own memes. Even this bull market, Cardano had its own meme. It was the proper blockchain. Everything was built properly. Everything was done properly. Everything was more professional. Yet when you use the chain, it's like 4 days for a stinking swap. But the point is it has memes and it has a community that builds around it, and it builds a cult-like following. Summary: with crypto and investing, you have to be nimble. Memes drive the market, and you need to understand the narratives and the trends that will set you up for the next bull market. Some ideas of narratives can be like sustainable yields, bridging NFTs to DeFi, on-chain credit scores, privacy narratives, stablecoins, derivatives and options. These are just a couple that I have my eye on. And of course, interoperability. Interoperability is a huge one. We haven't even gotten the craze on it, and we go through all these bridges and there's millions and almost $1 billion hack. Why not interoperability? But hey, these are just different narratives and themes that you guys should keep your eyes on. Remember, memes drive the crypto market. By the way, if you guys are enjoying this type of content in this video and I'm bringing value to you guys, smash up the like and subscribe to the channel, and tell me what you guys think are the next narratives for the next bull market. What memes are you looking at? What type of trends do you see popping off? Share in the comments below. So, how can you start with these different strategies in deploying your thesis? Well, the ones that stood the test of time seem to be the ones with first mover advantage and best in class. This is like Bitcoin, which digital gold, digital cash, etc. Then you have Ethereum, which is for smart contracts and development. And then you have Dogecoin. This was the first meme coin. These are still performing and they're beating the previous all-time highs. These are ones you can keep in mind to diversify and have positions in. Now, I'm not telling you to go out there and buy Dogecoin. In fact, I don't own any Dogecoin. But you can diversify in these different sectors in the crypto markets. And then, of course, you can speculate on the narratives that you're wanting. So in a bear market, it's extremely hard to pick and understand that, hey, this one's going to be the next one, or hey, this is going to be the next one. The bear market is to see who's building, see the communities that are developing around these different coins, and spot them. Keep your eye on them, notate, and then when the bull market starts to pick up, you can start throwing your different darts at these different protocols. You can check out some of my previous videos of what you guys need to look for in different altcoins. So if you then spot a gem, you can consider a DCA approach or using an LP position on something like Uniswap or SushiSwap to earn a yield on the position for you. This is entirely up to you how you want to play it. And lastly, remember, not every single coin that you pick will be a winner. That's okay. Spread your bets, don't invest more than you're willing to lose, and be diversified. Your goal is to have your winners pay for the losers and profit from the difference. That's how you know you successfully deployed the strategy. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be doing more videos like this on crypto strategies, projects I'm looking at, as well as breaking different subjects down in the crypto space. If you want to see stuff like this, you can subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you guys think the next narratives are going to be in the next bull market. Proverbs chapter 11 verses 4. Wealth is worthless in the day of wrath, but righteousness delivers from death. That's so true, man. Just saying, what is all the wealth when you pass away? It is what it is. See you guys in the next one.